of Al Tilman's candidacy in the race for Macon-Bibb Commission District 9 is in a judge's hands. This comes after Macon City Councilman Henry Gibson filed a complaint saying Tilman is running in a district where he doesn't live. 41 NBC's Amanda Castro has the latest from the courtroom this morning.
It all comes down to an address. Did Al Tilman legally live in District 9 when he qualified to run for office? The Macon-Bibb Board of Elections unanimously said yes, but Henry Gibson is fighting its decision all the way to Bibb County Superior Court.
I demand that, we exhaust every means to prove that Mr. Tilman is not what he said he is.
Gibson's lawyer asked the judge to either reopen the case so the board could listen to more evidence or strip Tilman of his candidacy.
Mr. Tilman is a pathological liar. I'm not saying that to be mean. I know Mr. Tilman. I've known him for years. He's a joke.
But attorneys for Tilman and the Board of Elections say evidence presented, like utility bills and changing the address on his car and voters' registrations, proves otherwise.
He didn't just go down and get an apartment, move a couple of things in and take some photographs. He was living there.
They add election board members followed the law when they came to their decision.
Did he do it for the purpose of moving to District 9 to run? It appears that he did from the record. But there's nothing in the law that would allow the board to rule him unqualified.
Tilman calls this whole ordeal a waste of taxpayers' time and money.
I think this court saw today, and we'll see very early next week, that we are a candidate, and they're trying to confuse this community on something that they clearly know that we've done legally and that we have the right to do.
In Macon, Amanda Castro, 41 NBC News.
The judge gave the lawyers until Monday to provide statements as to why or why not Tilman should be disqualified. He adds Gibson, Tilman, and the people of Bibb County are entitled to a quick decision. To be clear, Gibson is not running for county commission. The only other candidate in the District 9 race is current Macon City Council President James Timley.